Honey, so if I have pink eyeshadow, then I should get pink lipstick.
Oh my god.
Shh. Try again without laughing.
Okay. Hai geng, welcome back to my channel. Karena semuanya ada di sini. Di video kali ini aku bakalan bikin my husband does my makeup, so let's call him.
Hi.
Come here.
Alright.
Let's say hi.
Hi.
So what are we doing today?
I am going to do your makeup.
Yeah. So actually this is the second time you bought my makeup.
Yeah.
So today, no, this time we went to Dollar Tree. What is Dollar Tree?
It's just a store where everything is $1 US.
We spent only $19.
Yep, because you got extra
Yeah.
stuff.
So this is triple challenge. First $20 makeup challenge, and dua my husband does my makeup, and what is the third challenge?
I don't know, I only know about 2.
Okay, 2 challenge. Not 3 challenge. Ya, buktinya cuman berapa? $19. Itu gara-gara aku belanja beberapa barang juga jadi $19. You have to show them first.
I will.
You have to close up, close up.
Yee.
What is that, Hari?
I don't know. It is a blending sponge, but it's a gold diamond.
Yeah. Come on.
And we have a pretty pink contour brush.
You can just start my makeup.
Let's see, have some Wet and Wild lashes.
Wet and Wild lashes.
And then some sassy foundation.
Yeah.
Santa let me borrow the elves to make this. Some eyeliner. Some blush. Now I have some contour.
You know what contour is?
It's to contour your face for shading on your cheekbones. I read the back. Some eyeshadow. I might use the pink one, honey. Well,
because
I got pink
Yeah.
lip gloss. That's why. And you love pink, so don't complain.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Only 9?
Yeah.
So actually, we only spend $9 for my makeup.
Yeah.
Because other than
Get a shower.
this is just like my stuff.
Yeah,
like
just
shower cap and
shower
stuff. So
cap,
it's
yeah.
only $9.
Okay, so I guess when you build a house, the first thing is foundation. So for your face, it should be foundation first, right?
I don't know.
Yes, you
I'm not allowed to tell you what color.
I don't know. It doesn't tell me a color.
Dark.
Oh, so I guess I got dark foundation because my wife has a tan.
So you apply with your finger.
Yeah, I see you do it.
Okay.
Okay, this is, I think, too dark.
Yeah.
Oh my god!
Yeah.
You're getting a really good tan today, honey. Oh my god.
Oh my god, honey.
How's that, honey? Huh? Huh? How's that?
Oh my god. Actually, it's perfect. Like, I just get a spray tan. Actually.
Yeah. Instant tan. But hey, when I put your lip gloss on, it's gonna be really pink. Oh, I guess I could have used the blending brush. I forgot we had this actually.
Here. So squishy. I like this.
Hard jello.
We don't know what jello is. You mean Jennifer Lopez?
No.
Jello itu apa sih? Jelly. Cuman mereknya jello. Rasanya nggak enak. It tastes weird. Yeah.
You weird.
No.
Well, since I don't know what I'm doing, it doesn't matter, right?
Yeah, I guess so.
So, I guess I'll do the blush first and then the contour.
Blush. What color?
Sun-kissed tan. You scared?
No.
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 You should be.
Oh, that's too powdery.
It's the dollar store, honey.
Yeah.
Hey, this was your idea, okay? I just said yes. Because my wife is always right. Alright, give me your other face. Other side of your face. Not your other face.
I have two faces.
No, honey. No, you don't.
Let me get a mirror.
Yeah, get the mirror. So you can see how bad I'm doing.
No, honey, stop! Stop!
Now, I'm gonna try to do this contour. With what, I don't know. Oh wait, the contour brush. Where'd you put the brush? Haha, got it. Wet and Wild contour brush. Because when I do makeup, it's wild.
Actually, I'm excited when you get this brush because I need a new brush.
But you just ordered like 15 of them.
Only for eyes.
And you say I get a lot of stuff for eyes. You got 15 brushes for eyes. Because everything I picked was dark. I'm using this one. It's just like a cloud going up in your hair. I don't know how to do this. I don't see a difference at all with this. What's the point of this? I said something
read
about
the back.
No, it said do the lighter part on top and the darker part on the bottom. So I guess I have to use both.
Wow. Like I say, it's too powdery. Well, it's from dollar store, so no wonder. We used to have like a dollar store in Indonesia. Iya nggak sih, zaman dulu tuh Falus. Dulu waktu aku masih kecil masih ada toko namanya Falus apa Value. Isinya tuh semuanya cuma 5.000, tapi sekarang udah nggak ada.
So many decisions.
So many decisions. What are you doing? Stretching.
No, it's just I don't want to poke your eye.
Can I close my eyes?
I'm scared to touch your eyes with this thing.
Really, Tony? Should I close or open my eyes?
Open.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Oh wow. Oh, this is gonna be bad.
Really? You wipe the brush?
I'm getting the extra off, so it's not everywhere every time you blink. The top two?
I don't know.
Yes, you do. That's so bad. Oh my god. So bad. Okay. This is probably a bad decision, but I'm gonna go left-handed with this one. I need to do the bottom.
It's like metal makeup, gorgeous makeup. I don't know.
I'm gonna give you full and healthy Wet and Wild lashes. Wet and Wild lashes. Hopefully it's not too wet like the eyeliner.
Not too wet.
Even though, I mean, it says Wet and Wild, honey, so it's...
It's supposed to be wet and wild.
Yeah, like water park. Look up. Well. Oops, I missed. It would be easier if I was doing it on myself. Oh. Don't worry, I'll cover that up with eyeshadow.
This wing.
Well, yeah.
Like a
because
gun.
when I stare into your eyes, I'm swimming in love. Man, I'm really going to have to lay on the eyeshadow to cover that up. Wait a minute.
Honey!
Says it's smudge proof, not waterproof. Oh wait, that was the other stuff.
Am I pretty enough?
Yes.
Let's go to Walmart.
Okay. The eyeshadow to cover up all the mistakes I made with the other makeup. I'm going to use this one right there. I'm using the slightly darker pink because I need to cover up black. Even though it probably won't work. Will it? No. It's time for the lips because I messed up the eyes enough. Shh, I'm concentrating. You want lip gloss too?
I don't know.
Yeah, you do.
It's Twinkle.
Little star.
I wonder what you are. Joke's on you, my face is red so you can't see it.
Now you're all sparkly, honey. Did I do that bad? You're ready for the club, honey.
Yeah. So, see, I told you ini tuh kayak masker. Jadi gue tinggal peel off doang. Soalnya foundationnya cuma sampai sini.
I didn't go all the way to your ears.
Yeah. And the wing looks like a fish. Fish. And the lipstick.
I like it.
You like it, but it's too pink.
Well, then that's why you use the lip gloss. The sparkles make it look lighter.
Because I kissed you. See? See?
Oh, okay. I
Ini
can see
tebel
it.
banget kan? Komen di bawah ini makeupnya nilainya berapa?
Makeup by Tony. Like and subscribe. Dah.
Dah, hope you like it. Dah.
Dah.
See you. Sampai jumpa di next video.
Yeah. Mwah.
Mwah.
Kiss bye.
Mwah.